Three Sisters and a Blue Mountain. Oh, lamig. 아니, 좀 더 타고 싶다.
가끔 어떤 사람은 이거 타고 시드니가 있더라고요.
We're ready for Blue Mountains.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Wow.
His 34th birthday today. So it's already, anong oras na? 5:45 a.m. Ito yung lobby ng hotel. Dito kami naka-check-in sa Travel Lodge. Good morning. Wow, it's freezing cold, guys. Yan, so we decided na magkaroon ng exploration for today's video. Wow! So in the past tours, we always book a private or joint tour. Merong van o bus na sasakay na lang kami and then sila na bahala sa amin. So this time, we're commuting, guys. Commuting sa Australia, sa Sydney. Kasi nung sinearch ko naman, it's possible. So from our hotel dito sa Travel Lodge, Sydney Airport, it's a 10-minute walk to Mascot. Parang feeling mo malayo lang siya kasi highway yung lalakaran mo. May mga 12-wheeler truck talaga na hindi nagme-menor. Uy, ano yun? So, yun, pupunta kami sa Mascot, from Mascot Station to Central Station. And then doon, mag-change kami ng station to Katoomba. So, ginagamit namin yung Google Maps again para sa aming direction. Still winter this time. So, ayan guys, ito yung nilalakaran namin. So, maraming hotel dito. There's Holiday Inn, Ibis Hotel, Pullman. So, sunod-sunod yung hotel. At ayan guys, yan sinasabi ko, mga mabibilis na mga truck. Siguro dahil magde-deliver sila sa airport. Ayan, ganyan. It's so scary guys. Kasi parang feeling ko ang bilis-bilis nila. Almost arriving to Mascot Station. Ayan siya guys. So may crossing na kakaiba. Tatawid muna kami dito to there. Tapos going to the right, then another. Pero yun yung tutumbukin namin. Pero iikot kami ng ganyan. Medyo ano na dito, live, ano na, mailaw na. Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy! So, ayan na ang kanilang station. So, this is their train station, similar to Singapore. So, tignan nyo guys, maliwanag siya. Parang magigising ka talaga sa liwanag. And here we are. So, di ba, mga 10 minutes walk lang siya. A good warm up na rin. Kasi minsan pinipili natin yung mga nearby to train station. Siguro kapag may baby. Pero since kami dalawa lang, okay na rin yung maglakad-lakad. Bumaba tayo sa Central Station. Tapos susunod tayo sa mga tao. So kailangan namin makatch yung 6:23 train going to Blue Mountain Line. So sabi doon, look for platform 1. So, naisip namin, sundan lang yung nakalagay na 1. So, merong 1 to 11 here. And then, 1 to 12 to, ayun, meron tong 1 to 11. So, ganito guys, kalaki ang kanilang station. Sobrang bongga. Amazing. So, may dala kaming baon. Pero doon kami magko-coffee sa Blue Mountains. Ang baon namin is Lamington. Pwede kaming ayun no, 1 to 11 di. Pwede kaming kumain, mag-chicha sa tren. Ayan guys, ang kanilang metro. Susundan nyo lang yung mga number na sinasabi nila. So, ito na guys, yung tren. Ito na kami sa gitna. So, dito tayo guys. Sa upper left. It's 6:11 a.m. So, 6:23 to. So, meron pa kaming enough time. Guys, ito na. This is it. Ayan na, we're twinning. Wow! From Central. Sabi nila sa upper left, dito daw yung view. Although, most of the time, wala namang daw. Let's see. Guys, lumipat kami from there.
Good morning, customers. This is your all station
here.
service to Lithgow.
Kasi wala naman kami nakitang Blue Mountain. Charot. So, dito sa bus, pwedeng kumain. Kumain kami kanina ng Lamington na nabili namin sa Woolworths. Sobrang sarap niya guys. You need to try that. Lamington bread. They're, ano yan, Australian cake nila. And then, yun, nag-water lang. Hindi pa kami nag-water actually. Kasi baka maihi kami. Ewan ko kung may sino. May toilet guys, may toilet guys. Kasi it's a 2-hour train. Pero ngayon, ano na, 7:40 na, hindi na namin namalayan na 7:40 na. Sobrang bilis ng oras. Nantok pa po ang birthday boy. Kasi 4 hours lang o 5 hours lang tulog. Ayaw kasi matulog ng maaga. Although nakarating kami sa hotel kagabi. 8, nandun na tayo sa hotel eh. 8 kami nakarating sa hotel from Opera House. Tapos, matulog kami alas 12. Nanood pa kami ng Olympics, guys. Tukatomba Station.
Shortly arriving at Katoomba, please mind the gap.
Bababa na kami. At malaki-laki yung gap niya. Please mind the gap di. Guys, malaki ang gap. Tingnan niyo ang gap ng mga train. So, sumunod lang kami sa mga tao. Parang maraming estudyante. Parang pasukan siya. Kasi mga youngster yung kasabay. Carry ba yung lamig? Don't forget to top off. Ito yung top off nila. Para hindi tayo ma-charge ng buong distance. Guys, dito kami naghintay kasi pupunta kami sa Echo Point Lookout for the Three Sisters. Just a walking distance. Doon sa Katoomba Station. Straight lang siya. The sign is this arc. Sobrang lamig guys. Kailangan nyo ng proper attire. Si Daddy, naka-heat tech naman yan. Ako naka-jacket and winter jacket. At hindi ko naman favorite ang brown guys. Hindi siya crowded guys. Kagaya nung nasa video kanina. So, tinanong lang namin yung driver kung ito ba yung Eco Point. Sabi niya, yes, yes, yes. Yan. Ano yata ito, mga 20 minutes din siya going to Eco Point. Then, sana meron dong kapihan. Kasi hindi pa kami nag-aalmusal. Hindi pa naman kami nagugutom dahil merong kaming lamin to. Pero gusto na namin magising ng kape.
Nakatutok.
Siya. Ito ang katumba.
Parang kayo season sa katutok na hindi na kayo.
So, first stop namin is the Eco Point Lookout. At sobrang ano niya guys, tag dito, very easy access. May bus lang, then sila na bahala. Kailangan mo lang, may make sure mo lang yung mga timing, kasi may timing yung mga bus kung decided ka nang pumunta sa Scenic World. So, for today's video, Eco Point muna for lookout for the Three Sisters. So, sa aking mga sisters dyan, para sa inyo to, Tres Marias. And then after this, we will go to the Scenic World na nag-avail kami doon ng ticket. It's 50 AUD per pack. So, tingnan nyo yung view, guys. Yan. This is the view. Wow. So, tignan natin kung mahahanap ni Daddy ang Three Sisters. So guys, meron dito mga shop for souvenirs and some informations about Blue Mountains. Ayan na, nandito na tayo sa Three Sisters Walk. So, maganda yung lakaran niyo guys, hindi ka mahirapan. Nakasemento.
Kailangan lang maingat ka kasi walang harang.
Oo, walang harang. Ayan, diretso ka sa ano. Bawal ang harutan dito, guys. Diretso ka sa Blue Mountain. God. Look. Amazing. Pero hindi pa namin nakikita si Three Sisters. Nasaan na si Three Sisters?
1, 2.
Ito ba yun? Siya ba yun? Ito ba yung tatlo? Malapit na ba tayo?
Baka.
Baka ito, sila Three Sisters.
Kaya ito is Blue Mountain. Parang Blue Mountain.
Ayun o, may umaandar. Yun ba yung Scenic Railway? And there's two sisters that I can see here. Baka ito yung isa.
Or baka dun pa yung lookout. Dun pa yung pinaka-lookout.
Three Sisters and a Blue Mountain. Oh, lamig. Guys, yan po si one sister lang.
Gusto mo ba ako? Tapos tinan ko lang.
Ha?
Tapos kung maganda, message kita.
Guys, kailangan po natin ng mabagal lang. Dahil tayo ay afraid sa heights. Slight. is our morning exercise without breakfast. Hindi. Without sweating. Worth it naman guys. Kasi kanina nga may mga lola na kami na nasa lubong. Alatang walang ka-exercise. Hinihingal na agad. Pahinga muna tayo. We're done to the hingal na hingal. Daddy, ano? Kakainis to. Tinuturo niya na may mga ano dito, lizard. Okay guys, napawisan na kami.
Kahit malamig.
Kahit malamig. Kanina nga sabi ng ate, I'm sweating. Gusto niya nang tanggalin yung winter niya. Winter jacket.
Ay, matanda.
Ano lang siya, around 80 meter lang siya. Na very steep yung stair. Pero worth it naman yung view sa taas. Sobrang ganda.
Kaya,
At safe naman. Hindi naman parang low quality yung stairs nila. Talagang matibay at kapit ka lang sa bakal na ang lamig-lamig ng bakal.
nakakalula lang.
Oo. Hindi naman talaga ako takot sa lula. May mga specific lang. Pero kanina okay pa kasi pa slanting siya. Pero dahil nga ang taas niyo. Grabe, sobrang taas. Yung parang pumantay ka pa sa ulap.
Lumampas nga eh.
Lumagpas pa
Kasi
daw.
napipicturean mo yung ulap eh.
Hinihingal pa rin ako. Kasi pataas siya. It's really a mountain. So we're going to the scenic world after this Three Sisters. Echo! Jericho! So dito yung bus station. Kung gusto mong pumunta sa iba't ibang tourist dito, you can take the local bus. Pero may mga timing lang siya. So, yan. Yan na guys.
Way or
Lahat.
cable way. Hindi, anong pinakauna?
Tignan natin. So, we arrived at the scenic world. So, as you can see, there's a lot of buses here. Siguro may mga ano sila, tour buses. But for us, we only came here through commute, which is very convenient, very accessible, and very informative ang mga drivers. So, tutulungan kanila kung ano man yung hinahanap mo. It's time to recharge. So, manilibre ang birthday boy. As always, lagi niya akong nililibre. So, guys, ayan, may mga cafeteria dito. Happy birthday, Daddy! Birthday brunch. So, we ordered coffee finally. I ordered cappuccino. He ordered latte. And we will finish our lamington fingers. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. I-try nyo to. And our total brunch is 42 AUD. So, pricey dito, guys. Skyway! So, our first ride. You just follow the line. Ang daming tourists. So dito dito?
Nakatakot eh, no?
Na?
Hindi kaya magbukas.
这里有个灰色，这里不必，这里有个湖。
Hindi naman siguro yan. So, atapang tao, nandito kami sa sa pinto. Na pwede magbukas at malaglag kami. Charot. Closing doors now.
Also be a little bit of a jolt with the building as we do connect.
May maghihintay din pala dito.
Actually, it's going to be a pretty big jolt at the moment.
Dito tayo, mas may view dito.
Towards the back of the cabin, you'll also be able to see the three sisters. They are sacred to Dari and Gundigo, speculating at between 5 and 7.
It's done! So we're going to the steepest railway. Nakakatakot siya, charot. Joke lang, hindi ako natakot. Ang ganda lang ng Katumba Falls. Katumba! 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 Katumba!
Minion come through Scenic World before. There you go.
Here we go! The founder of the Scenic Railway, si Harry Hamon. Tignan mo, ganyan siya dati. Kahiwalay po kami sa ride na to.
Daniel, where are we going?
Para tayo malalaglag. Sobrang steep nga niya, guys.
Daniel. Yeah, because you're dropping the high altitude. Daniel, is this fun?
How's the experience, Daddy?
It's nice. Slow but nice.
Slow but nice. The third ride, cableway.
And welcome everybody to the Cableway. My name is Ahmed and I'm here with Carl. Gentlemen at the front, we're in bright red. We're beginning our ascent about 220 meters back to Scenic World. I hope you all enjoyed your walk down in Jamison Valley. And as we make our way out of the valley and you look to your right, we've got the Three Sisters, the iconic Three Sisters right there, 14 million years old. Their names from left to right are Menai, Wimla and Gunning. Very, very sacred to the people of this land. If you look closely, you can actually see a little bit of the fourth sister there, which lets geologists know that there was somewhere between 5 to 7 sisters a very long time ago. Behind you, you have Mount Solitary. That big protruding mountain right there is about double the circumference of Uluru. And it's actually not a mountain at all. It's actually a plateau, which means that everything has eroded around it. And as you look into this valley, that's pretty much what this is. This is millions and millions of years of erosion. Now, this standalone sandstone pillar directly in front of us is called Orphan Rock. It used to be one of the most popular lookout points in all of the mountains. It did have a mudslide about 50 years ago, which, as you can see, took out quite a bit of it. You can still see a few rails and steps on it, but it's definitely no longer safe as a lookout. Now, there are some little silver squares that you can see reflecting from the sunlight that are on Orphan Rock. That's actually for geologists to monitor the rock, and it just lets them know of any activity.
Ang namamangha.
Now, as we make our way through this tower, we're going to change direction. You're going to feel a bit of a swing. It's going to be lots of fun. Here we go.
Wow. Is it a roller coaster?
Yeah, the world's most expensive swing set. Now we're going to drop you back off on level 1. So level 1 is where you can access all the rides again. If you haven't had a chance to ride all the rides, I recommend that you do. Other than this, we've got the railway and we've got the skyway. So please make sure you enjoy all.
Back here summertime, you'll see the snakes pop out. So you've got the diamond python, tiger snake, eastern brown snake, and red-bellied snake. Yeah. If you get too close, they'll think you're friends and they'll give you a very fast high five. So don't do that.
This is the backward. Backward gun.
Okay, and this is the bar service railway, and here we go.
抓住这个。可以。哦，你妈得牵着这个。我还是倒着。
Nahulog na po siya, guys. Masarap yung paakyat.
가끔 어떤 사람은 이거 타고 시드니가 있더라고요. 여기 또 머리 조심.
Nahilo na po ang birthday boy. Pang ilan na tayo? Pang-anim na rides na namin to. Then, dun sa next pa, isusulitin namin sa steepest kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-highlight ng trip na to. So, natapos na kami sa 3 rides within how many hours? Nag-start kami ng 10:30, 11:30, 12. So, 3 hours na kaming nagpaikot-ikot sa mountain. Again, 53 SGD. I booked through Klook.com. Isa sa mga tourist attraction dito sa Australia. It's 2 hours away from Sydney. So, pinili ko to dahil declare na siya as UNESCO. So, siya talaga yung world's steepest railway.
Ayon sa Guinness Book of Records.
Hindi na. Dati sa minahan ng mga coal. Then, dati pa lang, nag-build na sila ng ganitong klaseng railway na small version, simpler version. Tapos yun, in-upgrade na lang ng mga Australiano. Ang daming tourist, mapabata, mapamatanda. Nandito sila, mapababy, mapabuntis. Nakakita ko ng buntis, my gosh. Options ka to walk. Kung mag-walk ka ng 10 minutes or
30 or 50.
or 30 or 50, nasa sayo. Meron silang sasabihin na hanggang 3:40 PM lang yung time. According to the, ewan ko kung nag-change siya. Now is 2 PM pa lang naman. So meron pa kaming more than 1.5 hours to stay and to try o kung gusto namin mag-ulit-ulit ng rides. So, dahil hindi kami magkatabi ng unang rides, kaya uulit kami dun sa Estes na pababa. So, mga chill area. Together! Finally! Walang hawak-hawak dapat. Ah, it's fine. Yeah. Don't worry. Oh, okay.
Okay, welcome aboard everybody. This is the Scenic Railway. My name is William and heading down into the beautiful Douglas Island. Remember, please keep your hands on any loose and valuable items including small children. This is the steepest railway. Here we go.
Kapit lang, guys. Woo! Second time! Second time, guys. Parang hawak-hawak. Pero sa pinaka-steepest, nakahawak na ako eh. Parang na akong babalentong.
Ito station.
351. 340, nasa Katumba na tayo.
41. 42.
Okay, tapos so ang ano natin 329 dyan. O di pwede na yung lakad. Bye Scenic World, see you again with I think with our family and group of friends. Para kakanta din sila ng Katumba, Katumba, Katu, Katumba, Katumba. Back to the CBD. Ang oras na dito? 5:30 PM. We're going back to Central Station. So, nakatch namin yung 351 train to Sydney from Katoomba. So, ang galing namin kasi 3 minutes na lang alis na yung train. Tapos, nahabol namin guys. Kasi, hindi namin mahabol yun. We will wait for another 30 minutes. So, just nice.
Wow, salamat, salamat.
Happy birthday, Daddy! So, hindi tayo naka-video kanina sa ating dinner. Hindi ko alam, nakalimutan kong mag-video. Pero nag-video lang ako sa phone. So, nandito na kami sa hotel at around 8:30. So, kumain kami sa Gami Korean. Recommended siya. Iba yung chicken niya, not the usual chicken. Ang in-order namin is skewers, chicken, and pancake. Korean pancake kimchi emerald. Ang sarap niya, guys. So, I want you to blow your Uncle Tetsu cake. Happy birthday, Daddy! Imaginary. Ang wish ko sana lumit na yung tiyan mo. Grabe yung kasi kinakain niya, guys. Sobrang dami yung kinakain. Lahat walang matitira pag si daddy ang kumain. So, gusto ko, wish ko good health lang lagi. Cheers!